to make Instant Pot maple brown sugar oatmeal. You can literally just throw the ingredients in your Instant Pot, turn it on, and let it go. It cooks for about 6 minutes, has a natural release, and it's pretty much ready in about 20 minutes total, and you're ready to eat breakfast. You can even make it ahead. You can make a large batch and stick it in the fridge for a few days that week, or you could even freeze it and get it out as you need it. So it's a great recipe for breakfast on the go, and it's really, really delicious. For your ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats, 3.5 cups of water. You want to make sure that you use water, because if you use milk or any kind of dairy, it's more likely to burn in your Instant Pot. So make sure you use water. I haven't had a problem with it burning with water. Sometimes it'll stick to the bottom, but go with water and you won't have the burning problem. Alright, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/3 cup light brown sugar, and then 1/3 cup maple syrup. And I'm using real maple syrup, not table syrup. Get the real stuff for this. It's healthier. I mean, as healthy as maple syrup can be, but it is healthier and better for you. So we're literally just going to dump all of the ingredients in our Instant Pot. And I'm using a 6-quart Instant Pot. We're going to dump in 2 cups of oats. I'm using old-fashioned oats. Then 3.5 cups of water. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/3 cup light brown sugar, and then we're going to do 1/3 cup real maple syrup, the real stuff. Then we're going to give that a really good stir. Mix it all up. It already smells delicious. Help me stir it. Really, we don't really need to stir it that much, but he wants to help. So you'll just give it a good stir, mix it all up, and then we'll put the lid on our Instant Pot.
Why?
We gotta cook it. Alright, you did a good job. Let's put the lid on, buddy. So you're just gonna hit porridge, and then we're gonna go down to 6. And then you're just gonna let it go and let it do a natural release.
No.
It's cooking. Once it's done, then you want to just give it a good stir. You'll probably have a little bit. I'm going to show you. Wait, there's a dark brown. It'll stick to the bottom just a little bit, but it's not, it doesn't taste burnt or anything. It's just, that's how oatmeal works in the Instant Pot. And when you first open the Instant Pot, I've already stirred this, unfortunately, so you can't see that, but there will be water on top, and you'll just stir that in and it'll look like this. It'll look like it looks right now. So I'm going to go ahead and just get this dished up. Now you can add raisins to this. You can even sprinkle a little brown sugar on top. There's so many different things you could do to this oatmeal to customize it and make it even more delicious. But it's already pretty delicious all by itself.